A healthy community starts at home. As mothers ourselves, we know that food nurtures and heals the body. Here on The Good Food, our focus is simple: to inspire you to eat and live healthier.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to The Good Food. I'm Kris.
And I'm Nimai. Today we'll be featuring the flower butterfly pea,
Or Vishnu Kanta.
or some know it as blue ternati. Butterfly pea is gaining popularity in the culinary scene. It's often used in salads and seen on desserts because of its vibrant indigo color. The simplest way to prepare these edible flowers is by using them in tea. Vishnu Kanta, blue ternati, or butterfly pea boasts a number of benefits. Enhances memory, improves sleep, relieves stomach ache, boosts immune system, and relieves pain are just a few of its many benefits. For those of us who are trying to lessen our coffee intake, here's a non-caffeinated drink to warm your morning. Here are the simple steps on how to prepare the butterfly pea tea. Separate the petals and place them in your cup. Pour hot water and let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes. Add your choice of sweetener. For flavor, you can add lemongrass, ginger, calamansi, or lemon. Or you can take it as it is. Adding calamansi or lemon will change its color from blue to purple. For humid days, you can turn this into a nice refreshing drink. After steeping your tea, allow it to cool down. Mix calamansi in your choice of sweetener. Add ice in your butterfly pea tea. Stir and serve. Now Kris will show you a natural way to color your food using these flowers.
Filipinos love their white rice. However, we highly encourage you to eat red or brown rice as they are healthier alternatives. But if white rice is what you have, then that's okay. You can add butterfly pea water to turn it into this nice, vibrant blue rice. To prepare this, start by washing your rice, then drain. Pour the butterfly pea water into the pot. Let it cook, same time as you would cook regular rice. Serve. Tips for storing. Store the leftover blue water in a glass bottle and keep it in the fridge. Or turn it into ice cubes. To dry, place the flowers in a tray and air dry in a cool, dry place away from the sun. Once it's dry, store it in an airtight container.
Thank you for spending your Saturday with us.
See you next week!
Bye!